All right, next story here is going to be about Meta. Maybe we should just go from chart to chart here. So here's your Meta chart. Now, this one looks, in my opinion, more precarious than the Tesla chart here. We've recently broken the downtrend. This downtrend originated on the Liberation Day lows and then was drawn through the lows of 2025. Not only did we cough that up, we actually did bounce very, very quickly at the 500. But just as quickly, we ended up giving that up, and now we've rolled lower. We talked about this one on Happy Hour. Sure seems like 580 is probably next. That's not even that far away from where we're at here at 592. But then after that, looking at that, we've got actually a gap back here that has not been filled. This gap goes back to May of last year. Gap fills down here at about 550. So I would say that if Meta continues to see pressure here, if it continues to move lower, I would say that this gap fill probably the next big event here, and that takes us to 550. So key levels coming up here on Meta. It's going to be this low from November of last year. We've got that right around 585. Now, let's get to the news here for Meta. Some Meta platform employees were directed to work remotely on Wednesday as the company prepares for more layoffs. Employees in the wearables and ads division received a short HR email on Tuesday night saying leadership would provide more details. That is, of course, according to a Business Insider report. The news comes after it was reported that a fifth or more of Meta's nearly 79,000 employees could be let go, which would amount to roughly 16,000 job cuts. If implemented, it would be the company's largest workforce reduction since its 2022 and 2023 restructuring, when Meta eliminated more than 21,000 positions. The remote work announcement comes as Meta granted equity to 7 senior executives on March 20th, and that is according to the Security Exchange Commission filings submitted on Tuesday. Okay, that's something else. That is something else. Anyone think that job cuts would help Meta's stock price? Since we just took a look at the chart, you think that that's enough to maybe help us move higher? You have to let me know.